Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with simple instant recipe. Rasam, the soul-soothing Indian soup, a comforting staple across South Indian homes. This humble dish comes in countless variations. So today we are going to prepare roasted raw mango rasam for our Jagannath and this dish made using fire roasted green mangoes. This rasam is perfect for summer, light, refreshing and packed with subtle smoky aromas. So let's get started. To begin with, first take one raw mango and 3 to 4 green chillies or as per your requirement. Apply oil to the mango and green chillies. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. Place a rack over the flame for roasting and place the mango on top. We need to roast the mango evenly from all the sides. Keep turning it like this. As you can see, the mango is well roasted from all the sides. Take it off the flame. Take some water in a vessel and add the roasted mango. Let it sit like this for 5 minutes. Now place the green chillies. Roast the green chillies in the same way. These are ready. Turn off the flame. After it cools, peel off the skin. We have shared many mango recipes and you can find all in Mango Recipes playlist whose link has been shared in the description box below. Next, extract the pulp and discard the seed. Transfer this pulp into a mixie jar. Add the roasted green chillies and grind it into a smooth paste. The pulp is ready. Let's prepare the rasam. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed, half teaspoon mustard seed and 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Let them splatter. Add 3 dried red chillies and some curry leaves. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing. Saute all this for 20 seconds. Keep the flame low and add mango pulp that we have prepared. Into this add 6 cups of water. Mix it once. Add salt as per requirement. And 4 to 5 tablespoons of jaggery. Since this is a mango rasam, the jaggery is used to balance the tanginess of the mango. Let it boil on medium flame. It has been 7 to 8 minutes and you can see the rasam is boiling. With this, roasted raw mango rasam is ready. Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and turn off the flame. Here I am serving it with rice and crispy potato sabji. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath ji. If you like all these prasadam recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.